Hi friends, I am a little over a month from my second surgery and I'm doing really well. As you can see, ta-da! They did wire me closed. I have 5 different wires. They did it just as a precaution because I did have some clicking on this side and they wanted to do whatever it takes to prevent a third surgery, and that is fine with me because I would much rather be wired shut than have to go through it again. I'm in no pain. I am still on an antibiotic just in case. I still, I just can't let go of the fear of my bones not growing together, which I guess is kind of understandable since it happened. But my surgeon told me that there's 3 things that need to happen for the bone to heal, and that's how you can tell that it's healing because you can't know for sure at this point. You can't see from an X-ray. You can't go in and look, so it's just assuming that it's healing. I'm not swollen and I'm not in pain, which is a good sign, but no infection, bone on bone contact, and no movement, which I can't. So I have all 3 things that need to happen for bone to grow together. So I really am probably fine, but of course I'm going to worry about it. I have been wired for 2 weeks. Before that, I was banded for a week, extra bands so that I couldn't open or anything. So I am wired until Tuesday, so 6 more days. So that is 4 weeks of a liquid diet. It is surprisingly hard. Like, I did not expect even the emotions that come with that. Like, I go to the food court in the mall, like, walk through it and just start crying because I'm like, oh, I miss food. But it's totally worth it to prevent another surgery. I know that I have mentioned God in, if not all my videos, and wherever you stand, it doesn't matter. I just want to share what I've learned and how much God is growing me because it's been incredible. Like, if I had not gone through this experience, if I had had the first surgery, everything went perfectly, I'd be eating by now, but there's so many things that I would not have learned, and I do not think I would be as strong coming out as I will be. He is just working in me. I have found that I have a big control problem, and that God is just trying to rip that out of me because there is no control in this. Like I said, there's no way to know if the bones are healing, and there's nothing I can do. I literally just have to trust, and that is so hard. My faith has really, wavered at times, or I don't understand why God didn't just intervene, but, when God has you in a trial and you are waiting on God, God is intentional. Like, He doesn't just ignore what you're praying, tell you to take a number. If He doesn't intervene, it's because He's working in you and He has something better. So, as much as that kind of sucks, as humans think, it's really a beautiful thing. One of my best friends gave me the analogy that really touched me. She said that she got a picture of me as a little caterpillar, and I'm just struggling and struggling to get out of this cocoon and so eager to fly, and God is sitting there and He can cut the cocoon open, but if He did, I wouldn't be ready yet and I wouldn't be able to fly, and so He's just there walking me through it, saying, you're going to get there, you're going to get out. So that was pretty encouraging. Love you, Jessica. It's just been great. I had a really hard time with the post-surgical depression, which turns out is a real thing. The research did a lot. I have a predisposition for anxiety. I have OCD, so I think it hit me a little harder than the average person. It was crippling for about a week. Like, I I've never been a depressed person, and it was insane. Like, I wanted to just be knocked out. Like, I was like, can they just put me under till this is done? And God really brought me out of that as well. I'm not like it anymore. I'm feeling way better. Yeah, I don't really know what else I wanted to touch on. I'll probably think of it later and be like, oh dang it. But I mean, if you have this condition, I mean, I'm making these videos for you to help you, but I want you to know this will not happen to you. All of these complications that I've had and difficulties, they are extremely rare. So don't freak out because your experience will probably be a cake. Even my surgeon is just dumbfounded when all these things happen. Like, and he's one of the top in that surgery. So you'll be fine. Don't worry about it. You're probably sick of seeing my videos by now. I thought I'd be done making it by like 5 videos, and I have like 17 of them. But thanks for all the encouragement and watching this and walking through this with me. It's been really cool. So I love you all, and I am almost done. I am at the finish line almost. The last stretch, the last leg, whatever. Alright, bye.